about you. What's love? Got to do it. What's love? It's about us, it's about just me. What's love? Got to do it. What's love? It should be about us, it should be about just me. What's love?
Alright, everybody, let's pull my pants up. Let's get right into the action. So, today we had a pretty good day trading today. We ended up catching around $3,000 this morning. Go ahead, let's do this trade recap. Basically, get into the charts. Today, this was a manipulation move that we caught. Or no, it was distribution after manipulating lower. We had these 5-minute lows. We were looking at these 5-minute lows. Let me lock in real quick. Let me regain myself. Coming into market open, we had big sell-off. These were the most obvious draw in liquidity ever. It was so obvious. We had an overnight move at 420 or at 425 that we ended up just absolutely just bullets up. By the way, this is me scalping yesterday. They are live accounts, like they are PA accounts. But the balance is 54,000. I was trying to get another winning day. So, yeah, that's what those other executions are. Anyway, coming into today, we had these 5-minute lows, super obvious draw in liquidity. It was so obvious. And then this was also when the 10 a.m. candle opened. So, when we see 10 a.m. candle open, this is the 4-hour candle. When that opens, we have either a open low high close or a open high low close. Today we saw open low high close, which this was the open. We come down low, we manipulate low, hit these 5 minutes, and then take this 5-minute liquidity, and then we come higher off of this 1 minute right here. We see we take out liquidity right here. We have this 1 minute gap right here. I didn't take this. I did not take this. I just don't like this gap. It's too small for me, and I didn't like the volume coming into it. I would have wanted it to inverse. If it inversed with a little bit more integrity and it was quicker of an inverse instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles to inverse it, if it was like 2, maybe 3 candles to inverse it, then I maybe would have taken it. A lot of my trading is discretionary though, so it's not very mechanical. I do put a lot of intuition into my trading, which is another reason why I took this trade. We ended up getting this inverse after sweeping out sell side liquidity. We had the break of structure right here. We also seen us put in this gap, and me knowing, okay, I think our drawn liquidity is going to be these highs, maybe these highs, after coming low and then wanting to go high and then close the 4-hour. The reason why I wanted to see these highs is because we have that 10 a.m. candle opening. I don't know if you guys know about the power of 3 or not, but basically, after switching buys today, so we were bearish coming into the day, we take out sell side. That was our target for the sell side. And then we switch to being bullish after breaking structure right here. Now, me knowing that market moves like this, I say this all the time, market moves like this, right? It's never just straight up and straight down and straight up and straight down. Inside of these little legs right here, this leg in reality, on the high time frame might look like this, but on the lower time frames, this is what this leg looks like, right? So me knowing that price moves like this, not this, what do? I look over at what we did right now. We broke structure. We come up. Me knowing we want to retest eventually. We have a 1 minute gap that we have right here. All right, you know what? I'm just going to go into bar replay mode because this has pissed me off every time it does that. I want to go ahead and we see this 1 minute candle or this 2 minute candle. This 2 minute gap. Oh my God, I'm tweaking. This 2 minute gap. We ended up coming down into this. We also have a level. I can't show you guys the levels just yet. That's for the inner circle only. I can't tell you guys how I get these levels. That's for the inner circle. They're going to be learning that here soon. You guys on YouTube, I'm sorry. I wish I could do everything for free, but I can't, okay? Anyway, we have this 2 minute gap right here. We also have this level. What I do is I wait for us to come into this gap. My drawn liquidity is these highs right here. Bang, bang. We get tapped in right there on that gap. That's where we ended up buying. You guys can see my executions on the screen, so it's not like I'm capping. Right there, and then we have our stop loss was right around here, I believe. Right, yeah, it was right around here. And then if we go to the 1 minute, let's look at how this plays out. That's for our entry. Go bang. let it play out a bit. We have decent reactions. We almost get stopped out. I remember being really scared there, low key. And we ended up reacting off of this level and respecting this gap, kind of. We did respect it. We did technically inverse it, but it wasn't with integrity. And me knowing that the draw on liquidity is higher, I was still confident holding this trade. I wasn't going to stop myself out. And then basically, yeah, after that, we get more confirmation that we're bullish after inversing these couple gaps. That might have been another 2 minute maybe. Yeah, there was a 2 minute that we inversed here. I was very confident after we inversed this. We did get a really good fill, though. The risk reward was pretty crazy. We had one contract. If I had 2 contracts, I would have held up to here. But this is where I had my contract set at, and that is where we took profit for around $1,500 on 2 different accounts. But yeah, it was a pretty clean trade. Overall, it was just very clear the draw on liquidity today. Like, market moved very, very easily today. People are complaining about market moving today. A lot of people took losses today. I don't know how. I think that today was very easy to read. But yeah, that's basically the trades. It was only one trade today. That's all we took. 5 minute candle, or the 5 minute liquidity. We manipulated down. We ended up coming up, breaking structure, getting an inverse fair value gap. We ended up supporting a bullish gap, and we respected that. Entries, bang. TP, bang. Very easy, very readable. But everybody in the Discord as well, I could show you guys this too. Everybody in the Discord ended up making a lot of money today too. We had new people from the inner circle. They literally was like their first or second day in, and there were some people that already got funded within 2 days of joining the inner circle. I could show you guys this real quick. Let's go through. Let's go to testimonials. This is Landon right here. He literally joined yesterday, and he got funded yesterday. If we go to the Winch channel, there's a bunch of different people in here. Let me show y'all. A bunch of people just like winning today. Like, this is all just from today. Absolutely insane. But yeah, basically everybody's killing it so far. If you guys want to apply to join the inner circle, that's where I do one-on-one calls with my students. I text my students pretty much all day, every day. Everyone that you guys see that's green or blue, or red, those are all inner circle students. And I text them all day. I do one-on-one calls with them. We do group teachings. I live stream every single week. Every single day of the week I live stream. And we also have teachings on the weekends. I give you guys a blueprint. I make you guys money. You guys pay me to make you money. And I make you a lot more money than you pay me. Okay, that's just how it works. But yeah, if you guys want to learn how to trade, if you want to start making money with trading, you guys can go ahead. Link in the description if you want to apply to work with me. Book a call with my team, and we'll see if you're a good fit. And if you are, we'll get you onboarded. So the inner circle is open right now. We don't plan on keeping it open for that much longer because there's only a few spots left. I think we just filled the 42nd spot out of 50. So if you guys want to join, be quick because we are running out of spots. And it's only been 3 days since we launched. It's been 2 days since we launched. We already filled out almost all the spots. So if you guys want to join, apply down in the description. Also, if you guys are trying to keep up with this $5,000 account that I'm growing, I'm doing a challenge. You guys have seen it on this channel, but I'm also documenting it on Twitter. If you guys aren't following my Twitter, go ahead. I'm very active on Twitter. Go ahead and follow me down there. Also, YouTube, my main channel down there. I do vlogs, just everyday stuff, lifestyle stuff, all that. It's just fun. It's just nice, and that's my main channel. Also, Instagram, I'm way more active on Instagram than any other platform, so go ahead, follow me on there. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. $3,000 in one morning. It was literally like 20 minutes, not even. Yeah, feels pretty good. If you guys want to learn, link in the description. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Peace.